Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Wherever you are facing problem, go through these videos, my dear, because we are putting much effort to make these videos. So wherever you are facing any problem, go through the videos, go through the question answer and do the correction. Okay? This is your GK class, and today I am going to discuss about India Gate. Okay? I will give you some points about the India Gate. First of all, India Gate is an important monument of the city. Of which city? Where is India Gate located? It is located, I am showing you the picture. This is India Gate. In last class we have studied about Gateway of India. That was in Mumbai. And this India Gate is in New Delhi. Okay, and it was built in the honor of the 80,000 soldiers who participated in First World War, as well as the war between Bangladesh. Okay, this is only to remind. Commemoration means to remind, to celebrate their sacrifice of the soldiers. And that's why it is also known as Army Tomb. Wait. This is also known as Army Tomb. See, India Gate was made to commemorate the soldiers of the British Indian. While we were having British government rule in our country, this soldiers, Indian leaders were actually not willing to participate in the First World War, but it was the pressure of British government to participate, and in that 80,000 soldiers were killed during First World War. Okay, so British that they were killed during the First World War, and what was the numbers? 80,000 soldiers. There was a small edifice that was constructed under the honor of, here this is also the spelling of honor, and HONOUR. Okay, of the soldiers that also lost their lives during Bangladesh Liberation War, and Bangladesh Liberation War was held in 1971, and in the honor of these soldiers this India Gate was built. Now there are some questions related to this topic, which is India Gate. Okay, now which monument is built in commemoration of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers? And this is India Gate. And in which war they were killed? In World War I. And one more war was there, which was Bangladesh Liberation War. Okay, in which Pakistan and Bangladesh were separated in 1971. Now see here the picture of India Gate. This is also known as Indian Army's Tomb, because it is in the honor of Indian Army, and that also 80,000, not 1,100, not 1 or 2. 80,000. Where is the India Gate located? And the India Gate is located, see, the India Gate, here you will add, is located, and where it is located? In New Delhi only you have to add. From here you will copy this much, the India Gate is located, and you will add in New Delhi. My dear, if you will copy the answer from the question, then there will be minimum mistakes. Okay, if you will try to copy the answers from the question and add your answer, then you will minimize your mistakes. This is also a trick to write correctly. What is the another name of India Gate? And another name of India Gate is armies, Indian armies too. From here, see, the another name of India Gate, and then it is added is Indian armies tomb. Okay, now we will go to the next question. Why do animals make sound? And why do we people make sound? Why we talk? To communicate with each other. We are having different languages in which we can communicate. Communicate means I can tell you, I can express you, I can make you understand whatever I want to say. And I take the answers from you also. You can also, this is the communication. Meaning of communication means to talk, to convey our message to each other. And that only animals also do. Why animals make sound? Here animals make sound, and then you will write to communicate with the fellow animals. Communication means to convey, to give message. Okay, so animals make sound. You will copy from here, and then you will write to communicate with their fellow animals. You will add the answer. Now we will go to next question. What do we learn from cock? And you will see, my dear, early in the morning at wait 1 second. Early in the morning, cock wakes up and it start crowing. Why? And like this we know that it's time to get up. So we can learn this lesson from the cock, because regularly and on time cocks crow and send us the message that it's time to get up. It depends upon us. If we are positive, we can learn this message from the cock also, to get up early morning and on time. See the picture of the cock. Wait. This is the picture of the cock. Now see, here is the next question. Which qualities of lion are admired universally? Universally means all over. Okay, and there are many qualities in lion. Lions are strong, they are powerful, fearless, bold and confident. Strong, powerful, fearless, no fear, bold, like you all. Some children are very bold in the class, confident also, but there is lacking, you all are lacking in strong and powerful. If you will eat healthy diet, regular exercise, you all also can be strong and powerful. To be powerful and strong, 3 things we have to maintain. One is cleanliness, second is healthy diet, and third is regular exercise. Clear? So these qualities, if the qualities of animals are admired, your qualities will be also admired universally. See the picture of the lion. Now what can we learn from animals? And there are many things to learn from animals. We will study later on dedication, boldness, regularity, punctuality, teamwork. These all things we can learn from animals. To work hard working, you will see the ant, always they are working, always you will see ant going in one line, so and doing teamwork. So we can learn many things. Here you just understand one point, that we can learn from animals to be punctual and do our duty without fail. Thank you, my dear. And you will write CW and date, and you will write in very neat and clean handwriting in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.